Are your chickens bored like mine, staring endlessly out of the coop, dreaming about those bugs of last summer? Maybe it's just small talk around the water font. Hello everyone, Larry Satchwell here. Yes, my birds get bored. I do let them out every afternoon, but there's no bugs right now for them to eat. So they scratch for nothing. I do feed them mealworms on occasion, but my friend Myra at GrubTerra sent me some black fly larvae. The black fly larvae are a lot higher in calcium than the mealworms. The mealworms are higher in protein. So it's great to mix them up. I've looked at black fly larvae before. I don't want to go to the hassle of developing them, but I do like the fact that I can get these from GrubTerra, and somebody just laid an egg. She did give me a discount for my viewers, and I'll put the description down below. They also have products for dogs, and my bluebirds love these things. So let's put this hen back so she can do her job, and let's see how the rest of them like the black fly larva. Okay, ladies, what do you think? A couple of handfuls. Well, it looks like the word's out. By the way, if you notice that machete hanging there, that's not for dispatching hens. That's for cutting up watermelons and squash and the other fruits of the garden in the summertime. Hard shells. Nice yolks.